Everybody said, "Oh, you must be so thrilled." But actually, it was one of the worst days. Not initially when they were elected. We were all over the moon. But let that sink in a few hours and you're just like completely from one day to another thrown into the unknown. You have no idea what's happening. You have no idea because the schedule is changing. The work is changing. He was self-employed. He had his own communications consultant company with a colleague. And from one day to another, he was even more public figure. He was putting his whole life upside down to accommodate the new responsibilities.
And that's what happened to him.
Yeah.
But it also had the shadow effect on you.
Exactly.
So were you treated differently?
Absolutely. I was treated differently and I hated it because I didn't change and neither did he, but especially for me, nothing changed. There were people coming up to me, especially the older generations, like, "Oh, you still continue working, but you're a Madame la Députée now." I was like, "Yeah. So what does that mean?" And also people were saying like, "Oh yeah, for sure, she can like buy this new purse that's expensive. He has money." And I was like, "Yeah, actually, I'm the one with more money. I'm the one with more assets." You know,
we should really clear that up. I married upward.